Hi, my name is Tom Clark, doing another video for M6 at Casey School in Yasothon. Today, obviously, we're talking about adverbs of degree, how to use them. Adverbs of degree seem to be words that describe how much of something is. Is it too much, a lot, or too little, or too much? How much is it? Trying to describe degree as far as how big it is, how small it is. Okay? So obviously use the word extremely. How is the water? The water was extremely cold. Extremely. It was really, really cold. The water was extremely cold. Also, quite can also mean very. So, how is the movie? Or how is the movie? The movie is quite interesting. Quite interesting. Or just means like a little bit. So you come into a room, someone would say, he was just leaving. He was just leaving, meaning that he's leaving right now, shortly. Bye bye. He was just leaving. Almost. But you're almost done with it. You're almost there, but not quite. You're just not quite there. Is she finished? No, she has almost finished. How? How has she finished? Has she finished? No, she's almost finished. Of course, to use very as a degree, how is she running? How fast is she running? She is running very fast. Two, you're walking too slowly. You're walking really slowly. You're walking too slowly. Enough. How fast are you running? You're running fast enough. So here they just talk about enough. Enough can be used as an adverb, as we said. So examples, is your cut hot enough? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. This box isn't big enough. It's just not big enough. He didn't work hard enough. I got here early enough. More examples how we use enough with to and the infinitive part of the word, like to pass, to drink, to get married, to sign up. I like these side examples. He didn't work hard enough to pass the exam. Is your coffee hot enough to drink? She's not old enough to get married. I got here early tonight to sign up. I would like to go swimming too, meaning also, if you let me come, can I get the can I go to the zoo too? Is this gift for me too? I'm not going to clean your room too. That too seems to mean also. I'm going to do it. You're going to do it too. I'm going there. I'm going there too. That too could also mean excessive. This coffee's too hot. It's too hot. Too hot. It's so hot I can't even touch it. It burns. It burns. He works too hard. He works too much. Isn't she too young? She's 25. She's too young. not too short. So it's like talking to about fairy. The girl, it was very beautiful, really beautiful. The house is very expensive. He worked very quickly. She runs very fast. The girl was very beautiful. So really beautiful. That's just a little bit. Mamak. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties here. So these are all the adverbs that you can use. You know, almost, absolutely, awfully, badly, barely, completely, decidedly, deeply. Usually, deeply, I've usually heard with love. I am deeply in love with you. I am really, really in love with you. I am deeply. Enough. We talked about enormously. It's a lot. Entirely, wholly, 100%. Extremely. I'm extremely impatient. I'm extremely angry. Really, really angry. Far, so far away from you. I am fully into you. I'm greatly angered. I'm hardly there. I barely, barely go there. I don't really go there. I am highly interested. I am really interested. How are you? How do you do it? Incredibly, indeed, intensely. I'm so in love with you. I'm really intensely in love with you. It's really intense. Just beats less, just a little bit, lots, most, much, nearly, perfectly, positively. He's practically here all the time. Practically. She's pretty. You're pretty late. You're really late. Purely, quite, rather, really, scarcely, simply, so. You are so in love with me. So, so in love with me. I am really, really in love with you. I'm somewhat bothered. Just okay. Not too bothered, but I'm not a little bit bothered. I'm just somewhat. I'm in the middle. Not too bothered. I'm just bothered a little bit. Strongly, terribly, thoroughly, too, totally, utterly, very, virtually, well. To quiz. An adverb degree tells us about the intensity or extent of an action, an adjective or another verb. Danny's new hairstyle looks really good. What is the adverb of degree? Oh, which is the adverb of degree? Really? Which is correct? Call me when the food's enough already, enough ready. Call me when the food's nearly ready. Call me when the food's awfully ready. It is nearly ready. Poor people rents the blank expensive places. Obviously, they rent the least expensive places. It was blank hot. It was blank hot to play tennis, so we went swimming instead. It was too hot to play tennis. We missed the train. We got there just after it left. Almost after it left, or hardly after it left. Just. Are you sure you studied enough to pass the exam? That is simply not true. Which means it's simply as this case. Just somewhat purely. Okay? So again today we did adverbs of degree. I hope you understand them. At least you understand hopefully how to say them. Again, thanks for listening.